Morning guys, I'm Stuart and welcome to another episode of the Bin Cleaner Pressure Washing Services. Episode 9. So what's today's job? Well, small driveway, it's only flags and stuff, but needs a good clean. Let's go and have a look. Alright, we're here. Just go and have a look at this one. Not too bad. Turn you around. Right, this is it. Not too bad at all. Got some black spot, some algae, lichen, whatever you want to call it. I've noticed some people call it lichen. Googled it, you can say it either way apparently, but I've always called it lichen. Yeah, plenty black spot, look. I think they might have had a go themselves, or they've dragged something around. Yeah, it's like a skating rink. Yep, so we've got that bit. And around this corner, just to the gate. Just to there. Maybe they'll call us back to do the rest of it in there. But for today, just this. We'll probably get this wall done as well. Could do with it. Oops. Yeah, we'll get these pillars done. And I'll not do that wall because it's got plants near it. But we can get these pillars done. So, as we always say, let's get stuck in. Better put my glasses on. Rinse down time. and done. As you know, we usually have about 3 rinse downs. I'm going to show you what the edges look like cut in. It should come up nice, this. Right, have a look at these edges. Look at me, we're all done. Oh, it's better. Let's have a look. There we go. Pretty picture. That gives you an idea what colour it's going to be. And you can see it's clean there, but look, you'll see all the black spot. That's what the magic sauce is for. All the brickwork's nice and clean. Bet there's tigers in there somewhere. There you go. That's a rinse down done. Look at all that, got sweep up. Oh, did the wall. And the wall tops, you can't really tell. This side, it can't have been done for ages, but it's come up a bit better. We'll put some magic sauce on that as well, I think. Just look, try and get rid of all that black there. See how it works, see how it goes. But yeah, you know what that means there, don't we? Flat surface cleaner time. Crack on. Surface cleaner done. What a mess. Let's get it rinsed off. Yeah, rinse down time. Look at that. Bit of a water trap there. So we'll get that down there into that grid probably. Mucky, innit? You don't think, would you, when you first got here? Can't do that wall because neighbour's car. Same with that wall top, but we've done these. They should dry out nice. So far so good. Let's have this brew. So, having a moment. Off the road tomorrow. No van. I'm off anyway, but booked in for its MOT. I've only had this van 6 months or so. It's alright. Let me know what you think about it. It's a Ford Transit Custom 16 plate. Bought it because we were having this, or supposed to be having this clean air thing in our borough. Rip off. So I bought this as a 16 plate, thinking it. I never looked into it properly about the AdBlue, and with it being Euro 6. Anyway, spent all the money on it. High miles. Got it for a reasonable price, but it's not Euro 6, is it? It's like 6 months before, so even if the clean air zone comes out, I still have to pay me £10 a day, and I can't afford another van. Typical. So, and look at this now. I don't know if you can see that, hang on. There. Look. Bloody filthy. And I've got to take it for an MOT tomorrow. Hope it passes. So yeah, if any of you lot's got a Ford Transit Custom, any problems with it, let me know. This is running a bit rough, but it's high miles, 177,000 I think. But it's got a droning noise when you change, it's got a droning noise when you hit like 2,500 revs. I think it's a clutch, and I don't even know if it's had a clutch or not. Anyway, enough rambling, let's get this coffee and get stuck in. See, we've got the magic sauce down. Give that 15 minutes, we'll kill all that black spot, and then we'll rinse it all away. So while that's doing its stuff, let's get this mess swept up. Looking pretty good if I do say so myself. Final rinse down time. There's a song in that somewhere, isn't there? Final rinse down. Bon Jovi or something.
You try hard to find the answer when no one knows how it feels between disasters. It comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. We'll never know. It's weighing me down. Got my feet on the ground.
I'm all done. Nice easy one today. Didn't take too long. Good. I do like easy ones. Still got some suds left. We're getting a bit close to you then. Didn't know what we're doing. Still got some suds left. Nothing to worry about. Bleach will be inactive now. Be too diluted to do anything because I've rinsed and rinsed it. It's just the surfactant that we add to it to help it stick so it doesn't dry out. Clings to the surface. Courtesy of Pure Seal. Thank you very much. I said courtesy, I bought it. But thanks. Yeah, Chris Lawler at Pure Seal Limited. If you want any pressure washing guys, want any chemicals or anything, whether it be for rust removal, graffiti removal, anything like that, give him a bell. I'll put a link down below. Belting service, honestly. Never known a company like it. So yeah, let's have a look. There we go. Now that will look amazing when it's dried out. It started drying out around here. See? Oh, you can see it. Before and after. Before. After. Before. After. Yeah, it looks loads better. Even if I do say so myself. Customer's happy. Happy customer, happy Stuart. Brew were good. Both of them. 2 brews. There's another song in that somewhere, isn't there? 2 brews, baby, I love you. Karaoke king. Good stuff. Don't forget, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. I've got smallest thumbs in the world, me. Give us a thumbs up. And if you're new, why not hit that subscribe button? Eh? Why not? You can have a look at our old videos and then you'll not miss our new videos. Because this time of year we get busy. So I'm going to be making plenty more. That's if you like it. So, with that said, it's another day for the bin cleaner pressure washing services. I'm going to go home. Got the granddaughter at home. Wonder if I can find any more work to do. No, bless her, she's ace. But go home, put my feet up, get ready for the rest of the week. So, with that said, see you in the next one, guys. Adios.